Hello, this is Arthur from Oceana Estates. Congratulations, you bought your new home. But what now? The journey begins. Now that you've bought your dream home and are ready to move in, what should you expect? In this video presentation, we're going to be talking about the additional expenses a new homeowner may face. Some questions may arise around taxes, insurance, how much to pay, when to pay. Allow me to help you answer those questions. While getting approved for a mortgage and processing the loan may be a complicated process, it actually may help the new homeowner manage some of the expenses associated with owning your home. As we mentioned in our presentation, What is a Mortgage? The payment itself consists of 4 components: principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. While the bank or lender receive the principal and the interest portion of the payment, the taxes and insurance are held in an escrow account. Look at this account as a way for the lender to help the homeowner save for the rather large tax and insurance payment. As with every monthly payment, the balance on the escrow grows. In most cases with a mortgage, the lender will take responsibility for paying the annual insurance premium and the property taxes. And where will the lender take those funds from? You guessed it, from the escrow account. This will alleviate some of the responsibilities from the homeowner, as well as not having to face a 4-digit bill annually. It is important to mention that the escrow is given as an option for the homeowner, as he or she may decline to work with an escrow, but the homeowner will be responsible to make the payments for taxes and insurance. The escrow account may be viewed as the lender's way of assisting the homeowner save towards taxes and insurance on a monthly basis, where little by little, the escrow account accumulates enough funds to cover the tax and insurance payment in full. Here are some additional expenses associated with living in a condominium. The new homeowner should clearly understand what is covered by the homeowners association. For example, water, electricity, cable, internet, or mowing the lawn if it's applicable, including sanitation, etc. Any of these services not covered by the homeowners association will have to come out of homeowners' pockets. If the property purchased is a single-family detached home, while not having to pay the homeowners association a monthly maintenance fee, the homeowner will be responsible for setting up all of the services and making sure he pays them on time, while the lender will be able to take care of the insurance and tax payments for the owner. Not to forget that in both scenarios discussed thus far, when working with a lender, if the initial down payment is less than 20%, resulting in a loan-to-value ratio higher than 80%, the lender will require an additional insurance payment for the mortgage itself. This is called the private mortgage insurance, or PMI. Private mortgage insurance payments may vary and depend on the size of the down payment and your credit score. Expect to pay from around 0.3% up to 1.5% of the original loan amount. The PMI payment may be removed after you have made enough payments to lower the loan value ratio to 80% or less. At that point, you may simply contact your lender and ask for PMI to be removed. Now let's talk about cash buyers. If you have accumulated enough funds in order to purchase the property with a payment in full, you will not need to approach a lender since you do not need any financing. Buying in full will save you a chunk of money on the interest rate otherwise charged by the lender. But now, the owner will have to assume full responsibility on making the property tax payments and insurance. That is, if it's applicable. Since the property is paid in full, there is no lien by a lender on the title. Hence, the homeowner may choose his level of insurance coverage, if any at all. All other expenses, as mentioned earlier, will be applicable according to the homeowner's needs. Be ready for your homeownership journey, as you may face some unexpected expenses around piping, flooring, bathroom, and etc. But remember, the home is yours. For more useful information about where to buy, how to find the right lender, or how much you can afford, feel free to use the link below to download this presentation and subscribe to our channel for more information.